not many people talk about how open pores are not a skin problem. They're a maintenance problem. And before the internet scares you, no, you don't need ice, lemon, or 15 products to close them. But if your pores look bigger than usual, more obvious, or worse than before, it might be some of your habits that are silently doing that, and some small changes can actually make them look smoother. So let's talk about open pores. What worsens them? What helps? And what straight-up skincare lies? If your pores suddenly look more obvious, it's usually not genetics. It's your habits. So let's start with what actually makes pores look bigger. And I am going to point out the obvious habits. First, excess oil mixed with dirt and dead skin. When pores get clogged, they stretch. And stretched pores don't just bounce back overnight. Second, overwashing or aggressive skincare. Harsh face washes, scrubs, or using actives every single day damages your skin barrier. Your skin panics and produces more oil. And more oil equals more visible pores. Third, skipping sunscreen. Sun damage breaks down collagen, and collagen is what keeps pores tight and supported. No sunscreen equals pores slowly losing structure. Fourth, picking, squeezing, or constantly touching your face. Every time you do that, you're literally stretching the pore opening. And lastly, thinking dry skin doesn't get open pores. Wrong. Dehydrated skin can make pores look even more obvious. And before I talk about how to reduce them, I would like to mention that your skin is not made of plastic. It has its own work to do. So it's better for us to support it than try to make it look like something it was never made for and be disappointed. Next, 4, sunscreen every single day. This is boring but powerful. UV damage breaks collagen. Less collagen equals pores lose support and look larger. No sunscreen equals all your pore work wasted. Sunscreen was never just about tanning. It has way more benefits than you think. 5, be gentle with your face. Scrubs, ice, lemon, squeezing blackheads. That's not tightening pores. That's trauma. Not every hack is meant to try. Sometimes you should watch and scroll. Stop saving the video and trying just because you have the ingredients. And just a reality check. Even after all this, your pores will still exist, but they'll look cleaner, smaller, and way less angry. Now this is the scary part. Not the obvious mistakes, but the small daily things that slowly ruin your pores. I'm just going to mention them without going into details. 1, overdoing skincare. 2, skipping sunscreen indoor. 3, sleeping with dirty skin. 4, constantly touching your face. 5, dehydration inside out. 6, stress plus poor sleep. 7, believing viral hacks. These are the things you need to work on, okay? Now the good news, pores can't be erased, but they can look way calmer, cleaner, and smoother. Here's how. 1, clean properly, not aggressively. Your goal is not squeaky clean skin, it's balanced skin. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day. Over-cleansing strips oil. Skin overproduces oil, pores look bigger. Quick check. If your face feels tight after washing, your pores are already stressed. 2, 1 pore friendly, active not 5. You only need one of these, not all. Salicylic acid clears oil from inside pores. Niacinamide controls oil plus supports barrier. Retinoids, long-term pore refinement. Using everything together doesn't shrink pores faster. It just irritates them. 3, hydration is non-negotiable. Dehydrated skin makes pores look deeper and more obvious. Lightweight moisturizer equals pores look smoother. And this also applies to drinking more water, because dehydration is not just an external issue. Read ingredients before committing to any moisturizer, okay? We don't need any fragrance or harsh chemicals in it. Now, reducing pores is one thing. Keeping them calm is where most people fail, but not on my watch, honey. So let's learn how to maintain that luxurious skin. First step is easy. Keep your skincare boring. Same cleanser, same moisturizer, same sunscreen. Use those products to the point you remember all the ingredients mentioned on them. Next, don't over-exfoliate. Exfoliating is really good for your skin as it deep clean and remove all the dirt, letting your skin get all the good from the skincare products. But everything has its own limit. So overdoing will just ruin the skin. If you go out a lot and knows that your skin gets dirty, then you should exfoliate 2 times a week. And if you stay indoors and your skin mostly feels clean, then once a week should be enough. Third, don't try to get rid of natural face oil as much as possible. Oil is not the enemy, blocked oil is. Lightweight hydration keeps oil production under control. And the thing you should be fighting is dehydration, not the oily skin. Next, sunscreen is your pore insurance. No matter if you are indoor, even if you feel lazy, please make sure to apply sunscreen. And I want your hands off of your face. I know you look cute. I know your cheeks are soft, but you gotta control. No squeezing, no constant touching. No, just this one blackhead moments. Last, take care of yourself. Skincare does 20% of the work. Rest 80% is your sleep, stress, water, nutrition. You can't out skincare bad habits. Make sure your lifestyle speaks louder than branded products. Well, this was all for the video. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down. See y'all in the next one. Take care.